My name is Dr. Lily. I am a physician and a diabetologist. I treat mainly people with diabetes, and not only with high sugars, and also their complications. And I am also a physician, so I treat all other general ailments also. I am practicing in this Surakshaka Diabetes and Specialties Hospital from the year of 1995, and currently we have about 20,000 patients who are registered with us, and they are our special people because we care for them right from the day one, and even when they are not here, our specialty is that we keep their record, their data with us, then including their address and telephone, and with their photographs. We maintain their record and we look after their well-being periodically. This hospital is dedicated, no doubt, for the special treatment for people living with diabetes, not only for treatment of lowering the sugars, but also to prevent their complications. As you know, diabetes is a disease with multiple problems which can be totally prevented, like prevention of loss of sight, prevention of heart attacks, prevention of brain attack, as well as kidney failure, then the amputation of feet, as well as multiple other problems. Okay, so in this hospital, it's not just me that is working. We also have a team of other specialists who are working as a team. We have a cardiologist, we have nephrologist, that is kidney specialists, we have orthopedic outpatient facility as well as inpatient facility, and we also have gynecologists to treat diabetes and gynae problems. We also have urology, neurology, and also we call other specialists if at all it is required. In other words, we treat a person with diabetes with all other system problems that occur, and with specialist attention. Not only that, we have a dietitian attached to us to tell the patients about their what to eat, what not to eat, and how to take care of their diabetes by themselves, and how to take care of their feet and things like that. We have a nursing staff in the team, and we also have a diabetic foot lab, which means the taking care of diabetic feet, examination of feet, and then checking whether the foot or feet of the diabetic person is at risk for diabetic complication, and then we give them a preventive footwear so that their feet are protected from ulcers and other infections, and ultimately we prevent amputations, loss of limb. A great dedication that is required, and we try to do our best for the patients who come here. You see, one of our main task in this effort in preventing diabetic complications is doing camps at various sites other than the hospitals. We do it in schools, we do also in the colleges, and in the other work areas where young people are working, because we see a trend now among the youngsters, even as low as 20 years of age, people are getting type 2 diabetes. And so we try to identify the sugar as early as possible and give them a sort of diabetic education program with the slides. So audiovisual aids we use, and we give them lectures at various locations, not only in our hospital. And in our hospital, monthly once we have a diabetic education program, and every now and then we also conduct this subsidized complication screening camps as well as on November 14th, which is a World Diabetes Day, we conduct an exhibition to educate all the general public to be aware of the diabetes, how to prevent diabetes and how to prevent diabetic complications. How to identify diabetes is everybody must know that if somebody gets easily very tired, then there is unexplained weight loss, or there's this thing, increased urine output, increased urination, increased thirst, and increased appetite but loss of weight. Okay, these are the commonest symptoms a person has diabetes, and one should suspect that he may be a diabetic person. And especially if a person is obese, overweight, or with or without family history of diabetes. And also lifestyle also matters. If a person has a very highly stressful job and then he doesn't do any activity, he does a sedentary type of a job, sitting in almost 16 hours in the office with a highly stressful job, they are more susceptible to get diabetes. So such people should periodically keep checking their blood sugars.